Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I make blue cheese dressing. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. The link to my homemade sour cream will be in the description box. I added 1 tablespoon off camera, a half a teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon sugar. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And finally, 1 cup of blue cheese. And there you have it, blue cheese dressing. See you next time.